How to find best Discord servers for Minecraft. If you're looking to join different Discord servers for Minecraft to build a community or connect with more people, first thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome app or any other browser. Now on the search bar, you're just going to search for Minecraft Discord servers. And once you have searched for them, you will directly see all of the Discord servers right here. So the first one is Cosmic Craft, Purple Prison, then Advanced Use Network, Complex Gaming, and many more. So all you have to do is click on the drop down here and then click on Cosmic Craft. Here, what you need to do is go ahead and search for Cosmic Craft Discord server. So let's just do that. Let's just search for Cosmic Craft and then add Discord server here. And once you have done that, you'll see the Discord server for Cosmic Minecraft server. Click on it. And then you'll get an invitation link. All you have to do is click on accept invite and you'll be able to join the server. So you could do the same for other servers as well. So go back and you can just go ahead and search for Minecraft Discord and then hit enter. You'll find different other communities within this Discord server as well, so you can join it through here. As you can see, it has more than 1.8 million members, so click on accept invite and you'll be able to join the best Discord servers for Minecraft. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.